Hi Year 4, it's Miss Samra again. So lesson 3 is all about being able to write a play script. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to follow this link and watch the video, and it shows you the importance of stage directions. It will show you the importance of telling the actors when it's their turn to speak by putting their name in the margin, colon, and what they need to say. Stage directions are in, I hope you know, brackets, which is also called parenthesis, and it tells them how they need to be acting, because actors need to know how to act, otherwise they'll just sound like robots the whole time. So watch the video, have a think about the key features a play script needs, and then we are going to move on to this task. So before we start writing today, we're going to do a couple of activities to refresh our memories. Let's practice one more skill. So write stage directions for this script. Show what Alice is like and why she acts as she does. The first one has been done for you. So we've got narration here. Alice is in the mysterious land through the mirror. She is surprised to see Humpty Dumpty sitting very still on a narrow wall in front of her. He does not take any notice of her. Alice, whispering to herself, "He is very like an egg. I would recognise him anywhere." Humpty Dumpty, "It is very provoking to be called an egg. Very." Alice, now you need to think of how she says this. "I said you look like an egg, sir, and some are very pretty, you know." So think about how she would say that. Would she say it confidently? Would she say it nervously? Let's see what you come up with. So complete the whole activity. It has been uploaded to the site. The second activity is what I'd like you to do with a partner or an adult at home is act out the story. So I don't want you to tell your partner what happens in the story. I want you to act it out. So I want you to pretend you're the creature and you're speaking from his perspective. Tell your partner what you went through in that story. What happened? How were you feeling? What happened in the beginning? What did you do in the middle? And what happened at the end? And how did you feel throughout the whole thing? Because it's really good that you explore your feelings and talk about them. We're going to write our own play scripts with a partner. So you're not doing this on your own. You should do this with a partner at home or with an adult. What do our play scripts need? Hopefully you can come up with the list. There is a list that's up on the site as well just to help you. So we need to make sure our list of characters, so if a character is speaking, their name goes in the left margin. We use a colon before they speak because we're not using inverted commas when it comes to play scripts. And when we write how they need to act, they need to go inside brackets, which is a form of parenthesis, because it's giving us extra information. We can, at the beginning, like it's showed on the Alice script, describe what's happening and where they are. So we can set the scene. We can set the scene at the top before the character starts speaking, so we can describe the beginning part of the story and where they are. Okay? And then you can start to write the beginning of the story. So you need the title, you need to set the scene, stage directions in brackets, also known as parenthesis, and the name of the speaker in the margin. So have a go. I'd really looking forward to seeing what you come up with. Don't forget to upload onto Class Dojo when you've had the chance. It'd be really lovely to see your ideas and how your play scripts end up looking. So remember, you're only focusing on the beginning part of the story. If you need to, you can look back at the story and see where it was set, what happened, how was the character feeling, all of those things. You can feel free to look back. The YouTube video is still up on the site. Okay, I'm going to stop there.